Hello everyone, today we are going to work on making these anime characters run to the alarm towers before the alarm is activated. So only if an anime character run to the alarm tower and have like 2 seconds, then only the alarm will be activated. Otherwise, if no character is going to the alarm tower, the alarm cannot be activated. So that's what I'm going to work on today. So let me make a whistle and get detected. Okay, I got detected. Now let me just run around and keep hidden, because the character just first initially try to attack before moving to the alarm. Okay, see, now it activated the alarm and the alarm is on. Others are also coming. Okay, throw it again. Oh my. Alright, so yeah, these are the things I'm gonna work on today. Let's see how to do those things. So this particular behavior, rather than just using only for the alarms, turn on alarms, I'm going to make it like a more generic behavior that it has it as a priority task, which allows in the future for us to make NPC characters to do certain things like turn on lights, turn on alarms, so just interact with any other objects with priority, even if they are in the middle of engaging with the player. So yeah, let's look into these things today. Okay, so at the moment, if I get detected by some enemy, let's see, now when they spot me, the alarm sort of starts automatically, see, without actually running an enemy towards the alarm. So that's the part I want to address next. I want some enemy to actually run towards the alarm and turn it on rather than automatically turning on the alarm. So how can we implement it? To look into that, let me go to let me open the main behavior tree. So here we have, these are the major behaviors we have. This is detection. Let me put a comment here, detecting, and this is just waiting or stunned. Maybe from another explosion or something. So yeah, here shooting and flanking and search in last known position, search major threat, search minor threat, and just normal duty. So I need another behavior that allows enemies to do a certain task while they are in the fight mode, while they are engaging. So it should be something like a high priority task, because while the enemy is shooting and flanking, it's not possible to run into the alarm as well, so those things can be easily conflicted. So what I'm thinking of is having maybe another behavior here. For that we might need another blackboard key. It's a boolean. I'll name it perform task. So this is like I'm planning this to be used as a way to perform various tasks, not just turning on the alarm, maybe making the AIs run into another location, like maybe to just turn on the light on a light or something like that. Maybe let's call it perform priority task, because this should have priority over engaging with the enemy. Alright, now let me save this, go back to behavior tree. Let me do an auto arrange. That's not exactly good, but oh yeah. So as I said, I need something in between stunned and detecting. So we need a selector, and yeah, this is priority task, and we need to check the condition priority task is set. So at decorate perform priority task is set. Okay, right, now when that happens, we basically want the character to move to whatever the location. So move, let's use move to I will keep the move to location, and then wait like 2 seconds, so that player will have a chance to kill the enemy before the enemy actually turns on the alarm. Then we need another task here, BT task, to turn on the alarm. We haven't created that yet. So this is the basic layout. Now we need a couple of things. We need a way to enable this priority task to make the character to move towards the alarm tower. Alright, now how do we do that? So we have NPC manager, yeah, here. So already in the current implementation, NPC manager holds a reference to the alarm tower if there is an alarm tower present in this particular level. So if I select, you can already see the alarm here. Okay, and alarm is turned on like this. So we need to completely modify this logic. So let me collapse this part. Alarm activation. Okay, now let's go inside, and yeah, instead of setting the alarm like this directly, we need to send an NPC there. But how do we do that? That's a problem. Okay, so let's see. In here through this can I show function, this is where I call terminal, but we don't get any reference to the NPC character who's actually calling this can I shoot function. So can modify it with another the reason I use instead of the actual coordinates, we need to access the AI component of whoever the character code in this function. So detected NPC. No, let's detected by. Okay, that's clear. Now where do I call this? Detect can I shoot? Right here. Oh no. Here. This is ALS NPC. So detected by. For this I'll give a reference cell. Okay. Alright. Now I still need NPC open. Right. Now let's promote this also to a variable detected by. Then in this alarm activation part we I think it would be better if I set the detected by also here, but actually that doesn't make any difference other than the structure. Anyway, let's leave it like this for now. No. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Okay, then here after the delay, let me just break it here and check if the not there here. These things are already not in use, but I'm gonna keep them for a while because still we have this part is a work in progress, so who knows what will happen. So I'll break it from here. Then is alarm. We need to check if the alarm is active. Oh, don't we have a way to check that? Let's see. Wait. Oh, we already. Yeah, we don't have a variable that tracks if the alarm is activated or not. Alright, no problem. Let's create one. Enabled. Right, now. Oh, wait. This is an actor. Okay. That means we need an interface. Alright, is alarm activated? We need an output. Yes, no. If it is true, that means yes. Now on the interface, is alarm activated? Simply return this. Okay, now here, is alarm activated? If it is false, then only we need to execute the rest. So first we need to check if we have a valid reference to the detected enemy. So we are going to ask this enemy to go and check, go and turn on the alarm. So detected by is dead. No. We need to check if the guy is still alive, because even if we have the reference, the player may have already killed the enemy. And if yes, we can get AI controller. Now here we need another interface event to ask the AI to do a priority task. Basically set this perform priority task blackboard key. Then you don't need perform, just priority task should be enough. Okay. But let's open the ALS AI controller, and we have this AI controller blueprint interface. Perform priority task, or maybe just set priority task. Okay, so we need two inputs. Maybe not two. Yeah, two inputs. One is, well, actually we only need the character to move to some location and then to interact with some object. So we might need two inputs. Possibly. Right. So first one, location, and second one, actor, object reference. I'll call it interacting actor for now. Okay. Right, now in the LSI controller, let's implement that event. On the interface we have set priority task. Okay, now we can set blackboard keys here. Get blackboard. Shall we use this one? Okay, set value as bool. Oh wait, we might need to set the location first. So set value as vector, make literal name. Here also make literal name. So this one is priority task and enable. And this one is location. What's the move to location? Okay. Alright. Now if things are working as expected, the character will be moved to the alarm and will just stay there because I'm not clearing out any of these behavior keys. So yeah, from the NPC manager, get AI controller, perform priority task, set priority task. Okay, so the location should be the alarm location. So precisely the enemy should move to this location, but wait, let me add a scene component here. Route location. This is just to keep as a reference to see where the route is. Okay, now alert tower SM object. What if I offset the alert tower? Sorry, this one to overlap with the route, so we don't have to worry about the character will always go to closest to that point. Right, but we have to move the alarm tower now. And the billboard. And what's this? Cube. And alarm sound to match. Does it match? I think so. Okay. Now, where's the route again? Here. Okay. Now that the route is, since the route is here, we can use the alarm location. So in this case, having this location may be redundant, because if we just pass the alarm as the interacting actor, that should have been enough. Yeah, because the enemy can just get the actual location from there. But anyway, let's keep this. Alright, let's see if the enemy tries to move. To make testing easier, let me move the alarm here. Okay, it doesn't seems like it's working as I expected, because he's stuck in duty and priority task is not set somehow. Sorry, this should be connected to false, because if the alarm is not activated, we should try to activate it. If the alarm is activated, then we don't have to do it. Okay. Okay, looks like he's moving towards the alarm. Yeah, moved and stuck there, just as I expected. Nice. Now the rest. So alarm does have this toggle alarm interface function, but I want the NPCs to use a more common interface like interactable. So in that way, if the enemy just call the interact function, something like an interact function, then no matter what's the object, they will that object will react accordingly. So it could be a light switch, it could be an alarm or anything. So we already have interactable interface. Let's see, it's here. PPI interactable. So here, this start interaction is actually only for player. Shall we add another function? NPC interact. Right. So now I'll implement it not for the alarm but for the trap generator, because enemies should also be able to turn on or off the generators too. So interactable PPI interactable. Right, now I'll override it in alarm tower NPC interact. So here I'll basically call toggle alarm with the enable. Here we have a bit of a problem because we need to give a reference to the detected enemy. For now, I'll just use get player character. I'll just use it, but this is wrong if the alarm is sounded, because NPCs has detected another NPC from a different hostility. So this would be wrong, but this will work for now. Now we should call this NPC interact in here, from here, after the NPC guy moves to whatever the interacting object. So for that we need a task, a behavior tree task. So pt task blueprint base, pt task interact. All right, now receive execute AI controlled. Where did I implement? All right, now here let's promote this to a variable interact in actor. Okay. Oh, one more thing. So we implemented NPC interact in the alarm tower, but to call this, actually some function should be implemented in the AI controller also. So preferably in AI controller, through AI controller blueprint interface. I know this is could be confusing if we are not familiar with the architecture I have developed here, but we have to stick to this system architecture, otherwise things would go out of hand. I hope it would make sense. If don't, just pause the video and maybe watch it again or think about it. Right, here I'll add another function, interact. Okay, now interact. Right, so first we need to have an interacting actor, a valid one. Then we need to call NPC interact. Alright, now this interact should be called from the bt task interact on our controller interact, and finish execute with a success. Alright, now we can call interact bt task and then clear blackboard value of priority task. So now after character moving to the alarm, it should activate the alarm, and then it should be able to resume fighting. One more thing, the character should be running here, so set move. That actually set gate. Yeah, gate should be sprinting because the character should sprint to the alarm and turn it on. Alright, we did a lot of things. Let's see if it works as expected. Let's get detected. Okay, he do some attacking first. That's natural. After a while, he should attempt to run to the alarm and activate it. Let's see. Why isn't he running? Stunned? Who is stunned? Oh, here. Duty. Oh. Oh, what's happening here? Why isn't it executing these things? Shall I set to running? But that's not important. Okay, this part is a problem. Right. Sorry, I forgot the basics. Yeah, that's because this is a selector, and once the one of these nodes are executed, then selector will return. So we should have a sequence below. Yeah, sorry. Sorry about that. Let's check again. See, now it's moving. It's still crouching. Okay, nice. It turned on the alarm. And it shot the alarm also and exploded with it. But yeah, that's fine. Okay, why did not he run? Set sprinting, but I'm actually not sure. But anyway, I think we should stop this episode right here because it has taken about 40 minutes now. Okay, he is not running. Turned on the alarm. Actually I have to set the stance also. Okay, yeah, because I was looking into this flanking behavior tree. I forgot about that. It has been some time I have worked on these things. So set stance. So okay, that should be the reason. Right, now he should run towards the alarm. See, run into the alarm. So others are also alerted, I think. Yeah, see. Okay, So things are working as expected. Now I'm going to stop this episode right here. There is one small thing maybe I should do to turn the character towards the alarms or alarm box, but I think it's enough for this episode. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.